Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a drugstore, affordable, festive glam makeup tutorial. I'm wanting this to be nice and smoky and bronzy. I want to add some glitter. I have these wee adhesive gems I'm wanting to probably stick all over my entire body. First off, I want to prime the skin, so I'm going to be using the Star Primer by Makeup Revolution, and this is just a water gel primer. And just slap some on that forehead. So how was everybody's Thanksgiving? I honestly am so sorry guys. I was wanting to get at least one Thanksgiving makeup tutorial up and I was not aware that it was Thursday. Obviously here in Ireland we don't celebrate Thanksgiving, so obviously how was I to know? I was just emailing somebody and they were like, oh, tomorrow's our Thanksgiving, it's our holidays. Damn it. I hope all of you guys had a really good Thanksgiving nonetheless. So for foundation, I'm going to be going in with Revolution Conceal and Define in the shade F5. I'm wanting to do my eyes first, but I want to make this quite smoky and blown out, and I sometimes find that whenever I do my eyes first and I make it smoky and I then go on foundation, I find it hard to kind of blend the foundation around the smokiness. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my foundation to here. I'm probably going to look like such an idiot, but we're all friends here. It's all good. I'm just going to grab a wee concealer brush and I'm going to carve out around the eyebrows first of all. So I'm not going to bring the foundation the whole way down the face. I'm just going to make sure I just cover the eye area. I'm going to be taking this palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is in collab with Sylvia. Is it Sylvia Gani or Gani? But this is her palette that she did collab with BH Cosmetics. It's such a beautiful palette. I absolutely love the packaging. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I actually didn't realise who she was until I seen this palette, because I just, as soon as I seen it, I had to buy it because of the colours and the packaging. And yeah, she's a YouTuber, which is obviously fabulous. So it's great to do some support. So I'm going to be going in with this shade up here first of all. So I'm just going to pop this shade just in the crease, and I'm going to be taking on a Jessup Luxe crease brush. I'm just popping that in the crease and just blending as I go. Ooh! How beautiful is that? So have you all started your Christmas shopping yet? I would like to think so. I'm nearly finished mine. I'm so excited to finally get it all over and done with. I only have a couple of people left. As soon as I finish my Christmas shopping, I find that that's whenever I can just relax and watch everybody else in panic mode. That's whenever I will go out shopping more, so I can just chill, be in the Christmas spirit, watch everybody else run around like headless chickens and just panic over Christmas presents and whatever. Then I'm gonna go on with this shade here. This is the first time I've really dug into this palette and I'm actually quite impressed so far, and I've only used the one shade, so I'm gonna be taking this just a nice slightly smaller blending brush this time, and just like that first shade I'm gonna just pop that just in the crease. I'm actually going to bring this shade onto the lid. I like to live dangerously. Just gonna give that a nice wee subtle blend. Yeah, I think this is a good idea because I'm now starting to get like a lot of fallout. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm gonna switch back to that first brush and that first shade. I'm gonna soften those edges a wee bit more. Next I was just going to go in with the Maybelline Colour Tattoo eyeshadow. So that's what it looks like there. It's a nice bronze shade. Okay, that's not working. Yeah, that's not working. Ooh, I know exactly what I'm going to be using actually. Got these in PR yesterday. So they're the Bellagi Cosmetics. They're just like the Stila ones or the Be Perfect Cosmetics ones, or there's so many brands that have now came out with these wee liquid, like wee glitter liquid eyeshadows. So they do have like quite nice shades, so I'm going to try one today. Oh yeah, it's a perfect colour. So I'm just going to put a load of this just on my lid, and then I'll just go in and blend it out. So they are very nice, but I will say that they're not as glittery or as shimmery or metallic as the Stila liquid eyeshadows. But nonetheless, they are still very nice. It's still a really beautiful colour. I'm going to be using the Helen E glitter, and I'm not too sure what this is called. I'll try and link it down below if I can find it on the website. I'm going to be using, again, the Helen E clear fixing gel. If you don't have any fixing gel or glitter glues, a clear brow gel does the exact same job, or a clear mascara. And I'm just going to use my finger just to spread it out. Oh, aren't we glad we haven't done our base makeup yet? Oh my. So going back into the BH Cosmetics palette again, I'm going to grab this shade here. I know this is probably going to fluff off some of that glitter, but it's no big deal. Okay, so then for lashes today, these are the Bellagi Lashes in the style Bombshell. I'm just wanting to go for something really big and fluffy. Because I did clean up all of that glitter, I then just went and just re-primed with the Star Primer. So again, just the Revolution Concealer Foundation. I think that'll do us. Ooh. I'm going to be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer just to match the foundation. So this is in the shade C3. Not a big fan of this concealer, if I'm being honest, and I don't know why. You know the way you use a concealer and you don't love it but you don't hate it at the same time, but you just don't know like why you just never reach for it. Like, I just see myself using it just to actually get it used up. Like, it definitely is like a really nice concealer. There's just something about it that just stops me from using it on a daily basis. So I'm going to use another Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is the Conceal and Hydrate, and this is a couple of shades lighter. This is in the shade C0.5, so I'm just going to put another wee double of this on just to see if it brightens that inner corner a wee bit. Ooh. Now I'm confused. I don't know if I prefer the Conceal and Hydrate concealer to the Conceal and Define because I prefer the colour of it, or I don't know whether it's because it's slightly different formula. Damn it. But yeah, I like how that looks actually. I'm going to go in and do a slightly bit of cream contour. So I'm going to be using the W7. This is the bronzing base. So in my previous tutorial I did talk to you guys about the Chanel bronzer, the Huda Beauty one. So this is more like a drugstore one, but this is kind of like a drugstore version of the Chanel one. As you can see, they are similar in packaging in a way. Formula, whatever, colour, you get it. I haven't used this in such a long time, so I wanted to try it today just to actually see how it is. Do you know, that's actually really nice. It's definitely not as pigmented as the Huda Beauty one or the Chanel one, obviously, but it's actually really nice. I'm just going to go with that beauty sponge just to give that wee blend. Oh my god, I think I might have just found another wee hidden gem. I don't even know where I got that, and this product is honestly cheap as chips. It's the W7 Makeup and Glow Bronzing Base. So that's just what it looks like here. I've had this for so long. I'm honestly not too sure where you can get W7. If you are from Ireland or the UK, I would say you can get it in Gordon's Chemist, BM Bargains. If it's online, you can get it on Fragrance Direct. I am pretty sure they do have like their actual website as well, so you can try on that, but that's actually really nice. I'm just going to go in and set the under eye area with the wee Poundland Powder. So I just backed with the I Heart Revolution Coconut Setting Powder. I have honestly never used a powder that sets my under eyes so well and brightens so well. I mean, it looks so flawless, so good. Such a nice powder, I swear. I'm just going to use the Primark Priming Water just in the wee Tarte spray. I think it's sometimes got to the point where you know what products I'm going to be using. Like, you probably know what highlighters I'm going to be using. Do you know, I really don't know what lip colour to go for. I have a nude and I have a red, so I've just done a poll on Instagram to see what you guys pick. I'm using the MUA Undress Your Skin highlight. And of course I'm going to be going in with Colourpop Flexitarian. Do you know, it's so cute, you know, because I sometimes get messages over my Instagram and my Snapchat. Mainly my Snapchat actually, where you guys have told me that you have bought the Colourpop Flexitarian because I've recommended it or I've talked about it or something. And that makes me so happy, but it also makes me really scared at the same time because as we all know, I'm such a lover of a really intense highlight, but not everybody is, and because Colourpop highlighters are such a unique formula, sometimes they can be a wee bit hard to work with. That's why I like to just focus it in the one area and be quite dense with it. But it always just really scares me whenever you buy things that I recommend in case you don't like them and you think I'm lying to you, because I have seen that happen so many times on YouTube where a YouTuber will recommend something and somebody will go and buy it, see this strap, this day I'm gonna cut it off. And then they'll get back to the YouTuber and be like, hey, you recommended this and I didn't like it. You're a liar, you're a piece of shit, you're this. And it's like, oh my god. Like, something that might work for me might not work for you guys. Something that might work for you might not work for me, because we're all different. We all have different preferences. I have bought so many makeup products from recommendations from other YouTubers and some haven't worked for me either. But that doesn't mean that I have this some sort of like mistrust with YouTuber that recommended the products. But I don't know, I just sometimes get really nervous whenever you say that you have bought something from my recommendations, so I just hope that you like all the products that I do recommend. But obviously, as you should know, I wouldn't recommend anything that I do not 100% love. So for blush, I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Floral Blush. This is just a wee cheek duo, and this one here. I'm going to be going in with the wee Sleek Face Contour Kit. We have the contour and bronze shade and then this wee highlight, so I'm obviously going to be using the wee contour shade. So just... oh my god, how ugly did I not look there? I looked like a drag queen slug. With yellow teeth! Hey! Completely off topic and nobody probably cares, but I have been loving my hair this way recently. But it's all good from the front, but see, as soon as I turn to the side, like, can you see this excuse for a ponytail? I'm now going to finish off the lower lash line, so going into this wee BH Cosmetics palette again. And I'm going to take the darkest shade first of all. I'm just going to press this up along the lower lash line just as tight as possible. I'm going to bring it right in as well to the inner corner. Taking a mixture between these two shades, I'm going to blend that out. Oh my god. This palette is beautiful. See these brown tone shades? They are gorgeous. Okay guys, so it's now time to do the lips. I'm going to go onto Instagram and see if anybody has voted for nude or red. Oh. Nobody has voted. I am a loser. Okay then. I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the Inglot Sparkling Dust in the shade 01. Oh wow. Okay, so I just added some of those wee gems, if you say. So I'm not going to do it this eye, but we have voters. So 48% of you said nude and 52 said red. Oh, it's more red. Why did I think it was more red? Nude, what? Okay, so I'm going to leave it for a wee minute or two yet and just stick these things to my face. So I'm just going to pop one just in the inner corner. Okay, so it definitely looks more festive with the red lip. I actually do prefer the red actually, and the wee gemstones. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter. There will be a link listed down below along with all the products that I did use in today's video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in this video.